Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha. If you're here for the first time, I am a wife of an amazing husband, a mother of three amazing boys, and we are documenting our journey to debt freedom, financial independence while we build generational wealth. We're starting with budgeting, managing our money, saving, and getting out of debt. It is Transfer Tuesday, and this was something coined by Penny's Not Perfection. Mary is an amazing creator, and I'm so grateful that I was able to connect with her on YouTube, as well as so many other hundreds, if not thousands, of people who are contributing to Transfer Tuesday by setting a little bit of money aside, whether it's investing or it's towards the IRA or saving or paying off debt. And I'm also going to put a few dollars towards some stocks. So I'm going to turn the screen around. We're going to look on the computer. I'm going to walk you through Robinhood, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Yeah, have a great day. I'm trying to rush and hurry before lunchtime is over. So thank you guys for rocking with me, and let's get into our Transfer Tuesday contribution. All right, happy Transfer Tuesday, y'all. We took $18 from our miscellaneous digital envelope. We transferred that into Robinhood for an instant deposit. And because now we have $19.95 in our brokerage cash, and Ally Financial is on the dip today, we're going to buy it on sale. It's a fractional share because Robinhood gives us that option. So I'm going to trade today a fractional share in Ally. We already had one full share, and that's our Transfer Tuesday contribution. Have a great day, y'all.